Expanding employment opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to address a topic of immense importance to our community and our future: expanding employment opportunities. In an era marked by rapid technological advancements and shifting economic landscapes, the need to create and sustain viable job opportunities is more crucial than ever. This issue transcends individual interests, touching every facet of our society and influencing the well-being of countless families. Employment is not merely a means of earning a livelihood, it is a cornerstone of personal dignity and societal stability. With each job created, we enhance the quality of life for individuals and contribute to the overall prosperity of our communities. However, the path to expanding these opportunities is fraught with challenges that require innovative solutions and collective effort. One of the primary drivers of job creation is economic growth. When businesses thrive, they generate new roles and opportunities for workers, thus fostering a robust economic environment through supportive policies. Investments in infrastructure and incentives for businesses is essential. By creating a favorable climate for entrepreneurship and innovation, we lay the groundwork for a more dynamic job market. Education and skill development play a pivotal role in this process. As industries evolve, so do the skills required to succeed in them. By investing in education and vocational training, we prepare individuals to meet the demands of a changing job market. Ensuring access to quality education and lifelong learning opportunities empowers our workforce and enhances employability. Moreover, it is crucial to address disparities in job access and ensure that all individuals have equal opportunities. This includes tackling barriers such as discrimination, inadequate transportation, and lack of resources. By promoting inclusivity and equity, we can harness the full potential of our diverse population and drive economic progress. Government initiatives and policies are instrumental in shaping the job landscape. Programs that support small businesses, offer tax incentives, and invest in research and development can stimulate job creation. Collaboration between public and private sectors can lead to innovative approaches and successful outcomes in employment generation. Furthermore, it is essential to focus on sustainable job creation. As we advance, we must consider the environmental impact of our economic activities. Jobs in green industries, renewable energy, and sustainable practices not only contribute to environmental preservation but also offer new career opportunities for future generations. In addressing the challenges of unemployment and underemployment, we must adopt a holistic approach. This includes offering support for job seekers, such as career counseling, job placement services, and financial assistance during periods of transition. A comprehensive support system can make a significant difference in helping individuals secure and retain meaningful employment. In conclusion, the task of expanding employment opportunities is both urgent and complex. It requires a concerted effort from all sectors of society, including government, businesses, educational institutions, and individuals. By working together, we can create a more inclusive and dynamic job market that benefits everyone and contributes to the overall prosperity of our nation. Thank you for your attention and commitment to this vital issue. Together, let us forge a path toward a brighter and more prosperous future for all.